go sell Mommy's car back there. Yeah, we're gonna go sell it to a lady. We have to go meet her at the bank. About 2 hours away?
Hour and 20 minutes.
Hour and 20 minutes away. So we're taking a little road trip to go sell the car.
And I now have a tree. Not a peach tree.
Bubba's got cherry juicy juice. He's gotta show his cup. You showing them your cup? Your big boy cup?
Well, my big girl cup. The exercising cup.
The exercising cup. But yeah, we will. It is hot.
I'm sweating.
Me too.
That's what fat people do, babe. Sweat. But we will touch back base when we get to where. Yep, when we get to where we're going, right?
Bye.
What are you doing? Oh man, quiet baby. Say I want to get out of the car seat, but can't because the car's moving and it's raining. But as soon as Mommy starts vlogging, I stop. But it is raining. Raining. You're all snuggled up back there? Bubba's got his blanket. Daddy's driving.
Sure am. Always am.
Are you gonna be a good boy now, Bentley? No. I'm pretty sure as soon as I turn this camera off, he's gonna start crying again. It's coming down. Yeah. Like pouring down right now. And that car needs to turn its lights on. Anywho. Say bye. No, he's not having it. Okay, guys, so we just sold the car. It is right there. They're getting ready to leave. But yeah, she got here and she test drove it with my husband. And
Her husband.
no, it's not her husband, baby. And she liked the car, so we met at the bank so we could sign everything on over and whatnot. But she liked it, and it is hers now. It is no longer my vehicle. So I have one car now. That's my Dodge Charger. And yeah, but she is be leaving. My car is right there. And the little girl, and that's her father-in-law, and they are on their way back. We're getting stuff loaded back up on the trailer so we can leave and try to beat this really bad storm that's coming. So I will chit-chat with you guys when we get home, right?
Yeah. What are we eating?
I don't know, babe. We do have to get something to eat too, but yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, we just got, oh I'm so wet. We just got in the house from selling my car, and we got dinner. We stopped at Chick-fil-A and we ate dinner, and we were trying to beat the storm, but we ended up running right into it, being we stopped. You guys can still see me. So yeah, but it's not raining. It's not raining that bad. You can't even really see it, but it is raining, and it makes difficult when you have to bring in two little ones when it's raining. But Yeah, we are home. We'll probably get ready for bedtime. You want to get ready for bed?
And then
Yeah, you
talk to Mama.
Get ready for bed.
And talk to Mama.
Yeah, I gotta give him a bath because
He won't poop.
yeah, he had a blowout and I didn't know it, and it got on him and me. So we both need a shower.
And y'all took a shower in the rain.
Well, kind of, but not really. We gotta get real baths. But yeah, I think we're just gonna sit here and relax.
So we can pretend we're going to bed.
Pretend we're what?
Pretend we're going to bed.
B.
No, bed.
Oh, bed. You ready to get in the bath? Stinky butt?
He stinks. and
Yeah.
She stinks.
I do stink. He's trying to take his shoes off. So let me get them ready for bed, and make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and the like button, and we will see you guys tomorrow.